Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with an easy cake recipe, an eggless chocolate banana cake. It's a soft and moist cake with a delicious combination of banana and chocolate. To make this cake, I've taken 1.5 cups of maida. Into that, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and we'll mix this well. After mixing, we can sift it 1 or 2 times and keep it aside. Here I've taken 3 ripe bananas sliced in a mixer jar. Into this we'll add juice of 1 lemon. Be careful that the seed doesn't go into the jar, or else if we blend the seeds, the cake will turn very bitter. Into this we'll add 1 cup of brown sugar and blend this well. Into the blended banana mix we'll add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Into this we'll add 100 grams of butter melted and cooled, and we'll blend this again. Pour it into a bowl, and now we'll add the dry ingredients, sifted flour and cocoa mixture, and fold it in. Here I've taken a half cup of milk. We'll add half of it into this and mix it well. Now we'll add the remaining dry ingredients and mix well. We'll add the remaining milk also and mix it to get the right consistency. This should be the consistency of the batter. I've greased 2 6-inch cake pans and lined it with butter paper. Now we'll pour the batter into the prepared tins. You can also bake this in a 7-inch pan. Here I've taken it in 2 6-inch pans. Using a skewer, just bring the batter to the side so that the cake bakes flat. It doesn't rise in the middle. Now we'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Now the cake is beautifully baked. The knife is coming out clean. We'll keep it aside to cool down. Meanwhile, here I have taken 200 grams of chocolate. Here I have taken a mix of milk chocolate and dark chocolate. Into this we'll add 100 grams of cream. I have taken Amul whipping cream. To prepare the ganache, I have taken Van Houten chocolate, dark and milk. Heat it in a microwave oven or a hot water bath so that the chocolate melts and a smooth ganache is formed. And then we'll keep this aside at room temperature or in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. The cakes have cooled down. We'll remove the parchment paper. The cake is so soft and moist. It's a very delicious cake. So please do try the recipe. You can have the cake as it is, but here I have just applied some, decorated it with some ganache. Here I am using a star nozzle and piping the ganache onto the cake. When you pipe, if it is not forming the flowers, just allow it to cool down in the refrigerator for some more time so that you're able to pipe it out properly. This is such an easy recipe, an eggless recipe. So please do try it out. The cake has come out very soft and moist. Now we'll place the second layer of cake on top of the first layer slowly, and then again pipe the ganache on the second layer of cake. If you have ripe bananas at home, please do try the recipe. Let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. See you with a new video. Bye.